Hello there and welcome to Trinity Stamps. Let's take a close-up look at the new Slimline Skelly die set. This is a 6-piece die set with a skeleton that fits perfectly on a slimline card. This die set has an outline of a skeleton, a die to cut all the bones, as well as a hat, a bow tie, and a heart. You can cut these two dies together or separately, and there's a wide variety of things you can do by mixing and matching these two dies. I'm going to die cut them together on this purple piece of cardstock, but you can see you could die cut this one just by itself, and then you have a solid piece to put your bones on. You can die cut them together, and that's going to give you an outline of the skeleton and an outline of all the bones. So you just want to center up that detailed die inside the frame and tape it into place. Once that's taped and secure, you can run that through your die cut machine. Here's what it looks like all die cut out. You can see I have a nice skeleton frame as well as all the bones cut out. To create my skeleton today, I'm going to do some paper piecing using this frame and a solid piece on the back. So I decided to run this through again and die cut out a white skeleton. Now that I have two, I actually can create two skeletons. So I glued the white outline onto a solid purple piece, and I'm going to inlay all the purple bones onto this one. So I decided to do the background piece in purple, the same color as the bones, so I didn't have to worry about gluing in all those tiny finger bones because I felt like that could be tricky, they could get lost, and so if I just left those off, it would be fine. Doing an inlay like this, there will be a few pieces that you need of the opposite color. So I'm inlaying all those purple bones, but I need the white parts for the eyes, the nose, the ribs, and the pelvis. And because I've die cut the two, I can do the exact opposite and create a skeleton with white bones. So this is almost done now, but you can see the opening for the ribs and the pelvis. I still need to get those white pieces and inlay them. But in order to get them, I wanted to go ahead and complete the white skeleton so the bones are all laid out nicely for me. And then I can easily get to those ribs. So here's what the second one is going to look like. And it's really cool if you're already making one skeleton to go ahead and make another. But as you can see, you would not have to do inlaying. You could die cut the solid piece and arrange the bones yourself without inlaying them. You could arrange the bones just by themselves on a card and have the arms go different directions, the feet and the legs going different directions. So you can really have fun with this set and customize it because there is a solid outline die as well as the detailed dies. Okay, let's take a look at these skeletons all done. Now, you can not even tell that I did not inlay those fingers. I also die cut out the pieces for the hat and the bow tie and the heart, and I'm going to use those to create a couple cards. I decided to use glitter paper to really jazz these images up for Halloween time. The bow tie would look great on the skeleton's neck or on the head, lots of different choices, and then it would be fun to put the heart on top or even under the rib cage, depending on how you design your skeleton. Here's a look at the finished cards. I added a sentiment, I added some embellishments, and I put these on some patterned paper to create some fun and bright Halloween cards. Now let's take a look at some other cards created by our design team with this fun Slimline Skelly die set. So many different possibilities just by how you arrange your die cut pieces. I really think Jenny thought outside the box with this card with the pink bones on glitter paper. It's so much fun. I thank you so much for stopping by. If you need more inspiration, you can find Trinity Stamps on Instagram and Facebook too. We'll see you all again very soon. Bye.